If you are over 50 and notice your backside losing its shape despite staying active, it is easy to blame aging, but the real culprit usually isn't your age, and doing more squats won't fix it. The true root cause is an unbalanced pelvis. When your pelvis shifts out of alignment, your brain literally loses touch with your glutes. Other muscles like your lower back and thighs take over, leaving your glutes underworked and flattening over time. This is why standard workouts fail to yield results. To fix this, you don't need a gym or heavy weights. You need to restore the brain-to-muscle connection using 3 precise, equipment-free movements performed in a specific order. The 3-step pelvic reset routine. Exercise 1. The wall hinge with lateral shift. Purpose: reboots the neurological signal to your glutes and corrects pelvic asymmetry. How to do it: stand 6 to 8 inches away from a wall, facing away from it. Place your feet shoulder-width apart and turn your toes slightly inward. Soften your knees and place your hands on your hips. Hinge forward at your hips until your glutes gently tap the wall behind you. Keeping your spine perfectly straight, slowly shift your pelvis to the left, feeling your right glute engage, return to center, and then shift to the right. Stand back up to complete 1 repetition. Prescription: 2 sets of 8 to 10 controlled repetitions. Form tip: this is a hip shift, not a torso twist. Keep your upper body completely still. Your nose should not move side to side. The science: a 2021 study in physical therapy in sport demonstrated that low-load pelvic repositioning drills significantly improved glute recruitment and symmetry in older adults in as little as 2 weeks. Exercise 2. The wall-facing squat with calf raise. Purpose: builds functional lower body strength while forcing your glutes rather than your knees to carry the weight. How to do it: face a wall, standing about 6 to 8 inches away. Position your feet slightly wider than hip width and angle your toes out about 10 to 15 degrees. Rest your hands lightly on the wall at shoulder height. Lower into a controlled squat until your thighs reach a 45 to 60 degree angle. At the bottom of the squat, slowly lift your heels into a calf raise, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, lower your heels and press back up to a standing position. Prescription: 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Form. Tip: gently press your knees outward throughout the movement to keep your outer glutes engaged. If your face or knees touch the wall, you are leaning too far forward. Exercise 3. Standing hip. Abduction with pelvic control. Purpose: directly targets the gluteus medius, the side hip muscle responsible for filling out hip dips and flattening profiles. How to do it: stand tall beside a wall or sturdy chair for balance. Lightly engage your lower abdomen to lock your pelvis into place. Slowly lift your outside leg out to the side, keeping your foot neutral. Only raise it as high as you can without tilting your torso. Pause for 1 second at the top, then lower the leg with complete control. Prescription: 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions per side. Form. Tip: range of motion matters far less than quality. If your torso tilts to the side to help lift your leg, your lower back has hijacked the movement. Lower the leg and reset. The science: research published in the Journal of Human Kinetics, 2020, found that standing hip abductions produce significantly higher gluteus medius activation than compound movements like squats or deadlifts. Why this sequence works: exercise. Step primary, focus physical outcome. 1. Wall hinge and shift. Neurological activation restores pelvic symmetry and turns the muscle signal back on. 2. Wall facing, squat functional strength. Loads the glutes safely without letting the knees or lower back compensate. 3. Hip abduction target isolation. Fires the gluteus medius to restore a rounded, stable structure to the outer hip. By practicing this routine 2 to 3 times per week, You aren't just working on aesthetics, you are rebuilding the structural foundation required to move freely, walk with stability, and trust your body for decades to come. What has been holding you back with your fitness goals? Let me know where you're starting from.